In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace icon in Replit. We'll start right on the Replit dashboard. Open your browser and head to replit.com/repls. If you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your work lives. On the left-hand side, you'll see your main navigation. Look for the projects area to browse everything you've created. If you prefer a quicker path, you can also use the recent projects section to jump straight into something you worked on recently. Find the project whose icon you want to change and open it. Once you're on that project, locate the menu button represented by 3 dots. Depending on your view, this menu may appear near the project title inside the workspace, or on the project card when you're looking at it from the dashboard. Click the 3 dots, then choose Edit Details. This opens a panel or modal showing your project settings, including the current icon preview. Now click Replace Icon. That tells Replit you're ready to upload a new image. Your computer's file picker will pop up, showing your folders and files. Navigate to the image you want to use, select it, and click Open. Replit will upload the file and immediately swap the old icon for your new one. At this point, your icon has been replaced. A few quick tips to get the best result. Icons display in a small square, often with rounded corners, so pick an image that's already square or can be centered nicely in a square frame. A resolution like 512 by 512 pixels keeps things crisp across screens. PNG and JPG both work well. PNG is great if you need transparency, but keep in mind it may still appear on a solid background in some views. If the subject appears off-center after upload, adjust it in your image editor so the focal point sits in the middle, then try again. If you don't immediately see the new icon on the dashboard, give it a moment to process or refresh the page. Sometimes caching delays the preview. If you can't find the 3-dot menu inside the project, go back to the dashboard and hover over the project card. The menu often appears there. And if you change your mind later, just return to Edit Details and repeat the same Replace Icon action to swap it again. That's the entire process. Open your dashboard, go to your project or recent projects, enter the project, use the 3-dot menu to edit details, click Replace Icon, choose your image, and click Open. Your project gets an instant visual refresh.